What do you mean by humanism? Then radical. What do you mean humanism? Are you Hindu first or human first? Are you Indian first or human first? Are you male and female or human being? आसपास देख लो कितने लोग आते हैं. Are you rich? Are you poor? Are you first human being? Are you student? Are you teacher? Are you father? Are you niece? Are you daughter? Or human being first? Caste come first, class come first, or human being come first? Human being come first. Simple. इसका मतलब है human being are central to this society, universe, and state and government. Whatever society we want to make, human come first. Whatever state we are looking for, human come first. Therefore, humanism is a modern ideology, and that is emerging from the renaissance of the modern world. And again, some people believe that no, the trace of origin of humanism is as old as the Greek philosophy. Like Protagoras, one of the sophists who said that man is a measure of all things. Again, because earlier society was all patriarchal. Here, man should be read out as a human being. Once Kant says that man is an end in itself, there is a humanism. Humanism simply means human being come first, and because why? It is a reason of human being. That is more important because human come first. It means human being are more important. Therefore, if human being are more important, then what happen? Even reason, rationality comes first, and dignity of everyone must be respected. And Bentham very interestingly said that everyone should be counted as one. Nobody should be more than one. It means human come first. And let us see, this is very modern ideology because why this is a very modern ideology? Because being a humanism, it means once we are saying that humanism, it means whatever division exists in society, whatever division exists in the international politics or in the external world, that become irrelevant because in society, human come first, then race, caste, religion. And you know that idea of liberalism came because of the humanism. Idea of socialism came because of humanism. Idea of Marxism came because of humanism. Everything began from the humanism. And you know that earlier in medieval age, you know that human beings were considered as a sinner. Therefore, there was importance of church, there was importance of God. Therefore, race, caste, religion, class, that is not important. What comes first? Human being. And in that way, even nationality and nationalism is not important. Nationality or nationalism is not important. What is more important? It is a human being. Because as of now, because we have discovered family too, but family is smaller bond of a community. Nation is still larger bond. If you look the society, smallest bond of our community that is family, and university is also a community, church is also a community, but largest community is a nation state. Therefore, nation is not important. What is more important is a human come first. It means human being have searched nation state, human being have made the nation state, or nation state made the human being. Human being. Human being have discovered WhatsApp or WhatsApp discovered human being. Artificial intelligence is discovered by human being constitution. Therefore, what humanism believe that human being come first, the reason is most important, And whatever problem we are visualizing in this world, we can solve this problem while applying the reason of a human being. That is the point. It means any problem of society can be addressed and solved while applying the human reason. Human come first. And this idea of humanism that is emerging from the Renaissance and the modern world. That is the point. Therefore, the painting of a Mona Lisa became celebrated because first time a human being became the subject of painting. But you know that there is a multiple ideas of human being. If this is human being, therefore you know that why liberalism is humanism. Why liberalism is humanism? Because humanism means whosoever believe in primacy of human being, automatically you will accept the liberty, equality, and fraternity. This should be available for everyone. Although, and see, in the modern age, cosmopolitanism is the extended form of a human being. What is a cosmopolitanism? Even we are not only member of a nation state. Morally, we are a member of a world community. Because everyone is right from, so forget about division of continent. Because once you look the social stratification, so there may be on the basis of economy, society, politics. These are basic idea of social stratification. But human being come first. But if this is a humanism which believe in liberty, equality, fraternity, therefore humanism is modern ideology. Here we are explaining only what is the meaning of humanism. Then we will come over the what is radical. And once Kant says that man is end in itself, a very larger meaning. That time and again I will tell you in the roles because Kantian this phrase is very famous. Man is end in itself. What does it mean? Are you end or are you means? I'm asking to you. Bro. Are you end or are you means? End. UPSC's end or you are end. UPSC means अब याद रखना लाइफ में car is a means, house is a means, man is end in itself. Nothing is more precious than you. What is most valuable in this world? You. You are platinum. You are gold. Oh my God. Oh my. So certain. So sometime what happen? We undermine ourselves. पीटी पास नहीं हुए दुखी हो गए किसी ने गिफ्ट नहीं दिया तो दुखी हो गए किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो दुखी हो गए बी हैप्पी nothing is more important than be human. That is the idea of human. Man is in itself. That's all. Life is a destination or life is journey. जीवन सफर है मेरे दोस्तों मंजिल नहीं है इसलिए हर फेज का एंजॉयमेंट लो कई लोग कहते हैं अभी हंसेंगे नहीं वंस आई विल गेट सेलेक्टेड तब हंसूंगा हंसने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा हम बड़े सारे बच्चे स्ट्रेस में इसलिए रहते हैं यार पीटीएम को क्या होगा तेरे पीटीएम को पता नहीं और कुछ होगा वाई यू आर वरीड अरे घबराने सारे काम गड़बड़ होते हैं ना ओ माय गॉड यू आर मास्टर ओ माय गॉड एंड प्रोटेगोरस यू वोंट बिलीव अरे मेरे बच्चों इसीलिए तो है इसलिए देखो जो फिलोसफर किस्म का आदमी होता है वो कभी किसी की परवाह नहीं करता अरे कार किसी के पास होगी तो होगी कि सब महंगे कपड़े मोबाइल होंगे तो होंगे ना मैं इंपॉर्टेंट हूँ और कपड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है देन अब आप देखो if this is a humanism so my meaning of humanism greater man is in itself everybody is having the same dignity or therefore there are variety of humanism means scientific humanism spiritual humanism so we are having the variety of humanism like can you tell me one ideology which is not a humanist every ideology is humanist but one ideology is not humanist which ideology और theory तो आपने पढ़ी नहीं फिर भी मैं ऐसे में जनरल क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ fascism is not humanist Otherwise, there may be scientific humanism, like Nehru. देखो, reading out science is different. Having scientific temperament is entirely different. कई बार मैं देखता हूँ साइंस पढ़ी हुई, that is a point in our fundamental duty. What is there? Do excellence in every field of life and have a scientific temperament. And have a scientific temperament का मतलब क्या होता है? Scientific temperament, probably I have told you somewhere or not. Scientific temperament का मतलब होता है लोग कार के पीछे चोटी बांध के रखते हैं कि बुरी नजर वाले तेरा मुंह काला. कमाल की बात है. अनसाइंटिफिक टेम्परामेंट. अब देखो, बिल्ली ने रास्ता काट दिया, साइंटिफिक टेम्परामेंट. लोग ऐसे एज्यूम करके चलते हैं, अच्छा ये पंजाब के हैं तो ऐसे होंगे, ये इस रिलीजन के तो ऐसे होंगे. वंस आई वाज इंटरेक्टिंग विथ माय ड्राइवर, तो उसने कहा सर अब ये ठोकेगी, देख लेना सर, कमाल की बात करते हो, क्यों मारेगी यार ये? कहा बिकॉज लेडी है. मैं कहा मैं ऐसे, मैं कैसे ऐसे हूँ? Unscientific temperament. What is, oh my god, I have seen excellent people who are driving. This is related to skill of driving, nothing related to the male or female. Oh my god. अब जब देखो इसीलिए का, no, because availability is less. Because as of now the female driver are very rare. They are driving their own, so otherwise in days to come this will happen. So because scientific humanism, it means we are having reason. And once scientific humanism का मतलब है, कोविड-19 आया तो कई लोगों ने कोरोना माई का टेम्पल बना दिया. अभी भी आप देखोगे चिकन पॉक्स किसी हो जाए, वंस आई वाज विजिटिंग अ विलेज, किसी को हो गया है कि उसको लगता है कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गई, उसका झाड़ फूंक चल रहा है. Recently I was reading out in newspaper, even more than 500 people die because of snake biting in India. So once a snake bite, rather than approaching doctor, so they are utilizing their own customs. That is not scientific. And you know that even scientific, that every person who believe in physics, Bruno, how we can believe in the whatever written in the religious text or whatever reason support. Scientific humanism, it means we can solve problem of poverty while applying the scientific temperament and scientific tools. Scientific discovering scientific tool is very easy. Having scientific temperament is very difficult. Treating everyone alike. तो आप देखोगे बहुत सारे मैरिज रिलेशन में क्या होते हैं, लोग इस रीजन के हैं. ओ माय गॉड, नो नो नो. हरियाणा वाले राजस्थान नहीं जाते. I so many examples are there. It means Nehru had a scientific temperament. So one is scientific humanism, like Marx, scientific humanist, because he was looking that every problem of society can be solved through not only reason, but reason is the base why we are discovering the scientific machines. And machines are capable to solve every problem of community, and therefore what is medical science? Scientific humanism. Medical science believe in scientific humanism, curing the entire diseases through scientific tools. But in India, in particularly, there is one idea: spiritual humanism. And you look, the basic of his spiritual humanism. Basic of his spiritual humanism is emerging from philosophy of Upanishads, Vedanta. And you know that why Vedanta believe in the dignity of human being? Because Vedanta also says that everybody is an embodiment of God. That is a philosophy of Vedanta. Everybody is having the consciousness of God. And once you are realizing that you are a part of God, this is what we are believing synthesis. That is what Aurobindo believe in. And once we are saying that everybody is manifestation of God, therefore division by people on the basis of caste, religion, race became irrelevant. Don't you think that? Therefore, spiritual people are also humanist. Or otherwise, as of now, philosophy is moving from humanism to environmentalism, because environmentalism is greater than the humanism. Now people are realizing that no, human being is not only supreme of this universe. Therefore, what Arne says that in deep ecology, it is the entire environment is equally important than human being. In that context, spiritual humanism that is coming from the Indian perspective, scientific humanism that is emerging from the Renaissance, and Gandhi was also a humanist. Gandhi says that God lies in everyone. So we are a manifestation of God, and therefore everybody. Therefore, what Gandhi says that abolition of untouchability. Why? Harijan, equal children of God. Once we realize that we are equal children of God, so every discrimination and every untouchability come to an end. But why this was radical? Marx was also a humanist, scientific humanist. Spiritualism, humanism is also a variety. But why it is radical? The humanism which was different from liberalism, scientific humanism, Marxism, spiritual humanism. That is the idea of a radical humanism. Why radical? Departure from their previous varieties of humanism. Radical means something which is not mainstream. Radical means something not established yet. Radical means not middle path, not pragmatic. Therefore, it was extreme. Maybe radical means extreme. This was the idea of his radical humanism. And you know that why Marxism is humanism? Are you clear about or not? Why Marxism is humanism? Because in a communist society, no division of caste, class, religion. Human become first. Why liberalism is humanism? Rationality, constitutional government, one person, one vote, recognition of basic values of liberty, equality, and fraternity. Why Gandhism is humanism? Why Gandhi said everybody is a child of God. But idea of a radical humanism of Ammon is slightly different from other varieties of humanism. Therefore, it became radical.